Why, hello everyone. This is Uncle James here with another great video. Now, in this video, we're going to review this new viral mailer. It's called Aaron Viral Mailer. Now, it's new to the market. A viral mailer is very similar to a safe list, okay? And this is how it works. It is a membership site. People join the site and they exchange emails with each other, okay? They share their business opportunities with each other. And also, this is a great way to build a contact list. It is a low cost method. Now, it is free to join, okay? It's free to join. However, you can upgrade, okay? You receive emails, and based on how many credits you have determines how many emails you will be able to send out. You read emails and you click the icon for credits, okay? And then you send emails to the number of people that you have credits for. Let's say you have 100 credits, 200 credits, 500 credits, then you will be able to send that email to 500 members of the site. So one credit equals one member. And the way that you earn credits is by clicking emails. Okay. So this is the sales page or the home page of Aaron Viral Mailer. As you can see, their logo or their mascot is the kangaroo. So here, this is where, it talks about boost your visibility instantly. This is very good. Now, Aaron Varmella is a game changer when it comes to email marketing. At the time of this video, there are given away 45,000 credits to new members. You come in and you use this promo code. And you will receive 45,000 credits, okay? But you have to use the promo code, all right? Now, let's look at how you join the site. So here our test right here, so we're going to click sign up. So you click on the sign up button, and then it says this is where you put your information to become a member, okay? You put your information in here to become a member, and you click submit. And once you click submit, you will then receive an email, and you will have to verify your email address. Once that verification has taken place, you will be able to use the mailer. Keep in mind, this mailer is free to join. It is also cell phone friendly. You can use your cell phone to send emails and to click. Okay, this is cell phone friendly. Okay, now, so we're back. We're inside Aaron Viral Mailer and we're going to send an email. So you click on Mail Center, then you go down a little bit and you're going to click on Mailer, and then you click on Send Mailing. So this is what it looks like when you're getting ready to send a mailing. Now, what I have done, I have already copied the email that I would like to send. So I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so I pasted the email here. Now, this is the URL. This is the direction URL. So I need to copy this. Well, actually, I need to cut it, and then I'll paste it here. I paste the URL there. For credits, I'm going to put 196 6, and then I could send to my downline at no cost. Okay. Now I have two options here. I could send now or I could send later. I could schedule this to be sent in the future, or I can send it now. I'm choosing to send it now. Okay. So I go up here, and these are my titles. So I'm going to select the subject of the title. So I'm going to go with this one here. So I'm going to cut, and I'm going to paste it. And then I'm going to delete all of these others. Okay. Now, here, this is a micro for first name. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to paste it here so that when members of the mailer, when they receive this email, their first name will appear. Okay. Uh, so, okay, all of that looks good. All of that looks good. Okay, we have our link here. We have this. So I'm just checking to make sure everything looks good, in which all of this looks good. Okay, so I'm going to click send. So the email is being sent. They're checking it to make sure that it is a good email. It's a countdown and everything looks good. So I will hit the send button. So the email has been sent. Okay. So this is how it works. This is how you send an email with Aaron Viral Mailer. Now, I also want to remind everyone, remember, you must, every day, you must do something to make sure that your goal come to pass. Do not have any 0 days. Every day, every day, every day, do something that brings you closer to your goal. You must have a PMA, a positive mental attitude. This is a must. Not only that, uh, I'm believing that I will live to be a long life. I will have a long, good life, 120, 130 years of age, that those that come after me, my aunts, those, the youth and my cousins, my nieces and my nephews, that they will live a good, long life and that their name will be great in the land. So, this has been Uncle James. You take care, and we'll talk later.